Hi everyone, here we've got a HOMTOM S9 Plus, and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, we have to obviously enter our contact list, so let's tap on it and let's find the contact you would like to edit and tap on it. Here right in the middle we've got the edit icon, so let's tap on this pencil icon and tap on the camera here. And as you can see, we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app, so this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you, or simply choose a photo from the gallery. So I will pick to choose a photo, and here we have to decide where we want to complete this action, so we can use our gallery or Google Photos. I will personally prefer the gallery, so let me pick the gallery, and right now we have to find the one we would like to choose and use actually. So right now again we have to decide where we want to complete the action, and right now we will crop the photo, so we can do it using again the gallery or Google Photos, and this time let me pick Google Photos, and let's wait a second. And as you can see, from this step we can adjust the size of the square and obviously the position of the photo, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. So let's position it just like you want to, and rotate the picture if you like to. It's up to you. If you are happy with the results, just tap on done here, and as you can see it is applied to the contact. Remember to tap on this tick icon in order to save it. And after getting back you can see it on the contact list. What's more, you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your HOMTOM S9 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.